How do you do? Stu Richland here from 420 Law Office. Once again, reporting to you from Legal Team Fights Prop D. And the current focus is making people here in LA aware of what they're facing with Prop D. Of course, Prop D was passed about a week ago. And according to the way it was written, the effective date was the day it was passed. So according to the current law in the city of Los Angeles, any collective that doesn't meet the criteria in there for limited immunity is supposed to cease doing business immediately. That includes all delivery services, and it includes grows that may be a storefront dispensary or a private grow if it's a marijuana business. Only caregivers and individuals can grow, and then small groups of 3 or less can grow without dealing with the law. But if there's going to be a storefront, it's got to be on a certain list, and we've had a couple sessions together talking about how that rule's unfair. Now I want to talk about what I anticipate will be a sign-up form that will be required of the collectives. There's going to be some form promulgated by the city clerk at some point, and it's going to require the divulging of certain information by the collectives in order to state that they qualify for the limited immunity. And the concern there is that the form will not be designed to protect you and your collective from the Fifth Amendment, a waiver of your privilege against self-incrimination that I'm afraid will be in there. In addition, you may be asked to supply documents which might incriminate you not only with respect to federal law, but as to state law. And in fact, even this local ordinance, it's inconsistent in that it states that if you are operating illegally, you can be shut down, but then they ask you to provide documents to show that you were open continuously, including going back to when technically it was illegal in the city of Los Angeles. So just about anyone who fills in this form is really taking a glass of water that contains a poison pill. Then again, if you have a collective that qualifies and you don't fill in the form, the concern is, well, then you might blow your qualification. And then putting all of that aside, exactly what will you put in the form is the next question. It's my position that anyone, before they make decisions about what to put in the form or filling in the form, should get legal counsel. Legal Team Fights Prop D is here to do that for you. We have a process available where the three of us, Graham Barry, Stan Kimmel, and myself, between us 100 years of experience, are going to chop up your papers, not literally, and make sure that we understand every single detail and give you a point of view on how you can present yourself to the city. And then if you put us to work, we have a really nice program that's going to be very economical and reasonable to enable you to get great legal counsel in a lawsuit to correct the flaws with Prop D and correct the flaws with Los Angeles medical marijuana. And we don't want to throw away the baby with the bathwater. So if there's a way we can save Prop D, we will, because it was passed by the people. We'll do everything we can to keep that beneficial power, which is that if it's passed by the people, then the local legislature cannot undo it. So maybe we can just get the government to correct a few things or get the judge to interpret a few things that are necessary to correct its application and yet still maintain its quality as a proposition passed by the people. Well, please give us a call so that we can schedule that meeting for you, so that we can review your papers and so that we can help you determine what your approach will be in those papers. We need to take a look at your situation uniquely.
Check out Legal Team Fights Prop D on Facebook, and please join us. I am so pleased to be in the battle with Graham Barry, veteran of the battles with Scientology, and a 38-year practitioner, a kick-ass lawyer, and Stan Kimmel, former city attorney, an amazing civil attorney, someone who knows procedure, someone who cannot be messed around with when it comes to municipal code, health and safety code, court arguing. Can't wait to be doing it all together with them. We're calling it Legal Team Fights Prop D.
By the way, I'll take the Pepsi challenge with any other attorney on my comprehensive 1-hour consultation on medical marijuana law. I'd be very happy to give you my book and walk you through it. Just to give me a call and we'll book your appointment. It is $500, and I also have an upsell, which is my $1,000 do-it-yourself corporate kit. Thanks very much for touching base.